Good morning, all of you. Peace be upon you and your family. In this video, we are going to discuss about actinoids. Old name is actinides and the new name is actinoids. Actinoids are also called 5F black elements. 5F black elements. Why these are called 5F black element? In all these elements, the electrons are entered into 5F orbital. Therefore, they are called 5F black elements. The general electronic configuration of actinides are radon, the common noble gas radon, atomic number 86. 5F orbitals are filled up in actinoids. 5F orbital containing 2 to 14 electrons. 6D orbital contain 0 to 2 electron. 7S orbital containing a pair of electron, 2 electron. In both lanthanoids and in actinoids, the outermost s orbital containing 2 electron. In both lanthanoids and actinoids, the outermost orbital containing 2 electron. And we have to fix in which actinoid the 6D orbital containing 2 electron. Among the 14 actinoids, only one element containing 2 electron in 6D orbital. Now we are going to write the individual electronic configuration of all actinoids. According to Offa principle, after completing radon electronic configuration, the electron enter into the s orbital, then d orbital, then f orbital. In f orbital, the electrons are filled. When you note that in all actinoids, no actinoid containing 1 electron in 5F orbital. Electrons start with 2. The first element in actinoid is thorium TH. Thorium atomic number 90. First actinoid. Electronic configuration: radon, common noble gas, atomic number 86. 5F0, no electron in f orbital. 6D2 and 7S2. 86, 88, 90. Remember in your mind that thorium is the only actinoid contain 2 electrons in 6D orbital. 2 electrons in 6D orbital. Protactinium, atomic number 91. How to write the electronic configuration? Radon, common noble gas, atomic number 86. Electrons enter into 7s orbital, then 6D containing 1 electron. Now 5F orbital containing 2 electron. Remember, there is no 1 electron in 5F orbital. 86, 88, 89, 91. Atomic number 91. Now we are going to write the electronic configuration of other, a very most important uranium, atomic number 92. used in nuclear fission reaction. Electronic configuration is radon 86. Then next electron enter into the 7s orbital 7s2. Then next electron enter into the 6d orbital in actinium 5f3. 86, 90, 92. Uranium, a very most important actinoid used in nuclear fission reaction. Neptunium, neptunium, atomic number 93. Electronic configuration, radon, atomic number 86. 5f4. 6d1, 7s2. After filling the electron in radon, the electrons are entered into the 7s orbital, then 60, then only 5f. 86, 90, 93. In all these elements, 6d orbital containing 1 electron. Plutonium, plutonium, atomic number 9d4. Electronic configuration, radon, noble gas with atomic number 86. Now electron enter into the 7s2 orbital. There is no electron in d orbital and there are 6 electrons in f. 86, 92, 94. Now 6d orbital containing 0 electronic configuration. It can easily converted into half-filled 5f7 electronic configuration. After plutonium, the next actinoids is americium. Americium, atomic number 95. Electronic configuration, radon 86. Radon 86. Then the electrons enter into the 7s orbital. 6d 0, half filled 5f orbital, which is more stable. Half filled 5f orbital is more stable in americium. Next element also half filled orbital. Curium, Marie Curie, atomic number 96. Radon 86. Electron enter into the 7s orbital. 6d1, 5f7. Half filled f orbital attain extra stability. And americium 2 plus ion, curium 3 plus ions are more stable. Americium is the only actinoid which exists in 2 plus oxidation state by the loss of these 2 electrons. Berkelium, berkelium, atomic number 97. Berkelium, atomic number 97. Radon 86. Now the electron enter into the 7s orbital. 88. 6d0. Remaining 5f, how many electron? 9 electrons are in f orbital. 86, 95 plus 2 equal to 97. Californium, CF, Californium, atomic number 98. Electronic configuration, radon 86, 7s2, 86, 88, 6d0, 5f10, 86, 96, 98. Then Einsteinium, Einsteinium. Alfred Einstein. Einsteinium. Atomic number 99. Electronic configuration radon. Atomic number 86. Electron enter into the 7s2 orbital 6d0 5f orbital containing 11 electron. Fermium. Atomic number 100. Electronic configuration radon 86. Next electron enter into the s orbital 7s2 6d0 5f orbital containing 12 electron. Mendelevium. Dmitry Mendeleev. Mendelevium. Dmitry Mendeleev. Atomic number 101. Electronic configuration radon 86. 88. 6d as usual 0 electronic configuration. 5f 13 11 12 13. And nobelium 102. Alfred Nobel, founder of Nobel Prize. Nobelium. Atomic number 86. Then 7s2 as usual 6d0 completely filled electronic configuration 5f14. Last element lawrencium. Atomic number 103. Electronic configuration radon 86. Here there is one change, remember always. Same 5f14 7s2 7p1. There is no electron in 6d but one electron present in 7p. So the different electronic configuration exhibited by lawrencium, and also the first element thorium, two electrons are present in d orbital. These are the electronic configuration of actinide. Among actinide, you should know some properties of actinide. First element thorium. Actinum is a d black element. So the 14 element from thorium to lawrencium are called actinoids. All the actinoids are radioactive in nature, and most of them are short half-lives. Half-life period of all the actinoids are very, very small. Only thorium and uranium, occur in significant amount in nature, and a trace amount of plutonium is also found in uranium ore. A trace amount of plutonium is also found in uranium ore. Neptunium Nb and other successive heavier element. இதுக்கு the next to neptunium, the other successive heavier elements are produced synthetically by the artificial transformation of naturally occurring elements by nuclear reaction. Atomic number 1 to atomic number 92. Naturally occurring elements. After uranium, the elements are called transuranium element. After uranium, the elements are called transuranium element, are also called man-made element. After uranium, the elements are called trans uranium element or also called man-made element. Remember all these points, and now we are going to discuss the oxidation state of actinoids. Oxidation state of actinoids. Most important one, some of the actinoids, they get more stable electronic configuration. Now we are going to discuss oxidation state of actinoids. Oxidation state of actinoids. Actinoids. What is meant by oxidation state? You studied about this. Number of electrons lost or gained. Number of electrons lost or gained by an element is called oxidation state. Number of electrons lost or gained by an element is called oxidation state. Oxidation state is indicated by plus or minus. If an element lost electron, it is indicated by positive plus oxidation state, and if the element gain electron, it is indicated by negative oxidation state. First, we have to say what is a common oxidation state of actinoids. All the actinoids lost 3 electrons from their outermost shell, therefore exhibit plus 3 oxidation state. Common oxidation state of all the actinoids is plus 3. And only 2 elements. What are they? Thorium, the first element, and americium exhibit plus 2 oxidation state. Thorium and americium exhibit plus 2 oxidation state. The first element, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium exhibit plus 4 oxidation state. Along with the common oxidation state, these elements exhibit plus 4 oxidation state. Thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium exhibit plus 5 oxidation state along with the plus 3. Then, most important oxidation state, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium exhibit plus 6 oxidation state, and the highest oxidation state of plus 7 is exhibited by neptunium, plutonium, americium exhibit plus 7 oxidation state. Americium in 2 plus oxidation state is more stable. Why? Americium in 2 plus oxidation state is more stable. Why? Americium with atomic number 95. Americium with atomic number 95. The electronic configuration is radon, Rn, atomic number 86, 5F7 6D0 7S2. This is the electronic configuration of americium. Americium in 2 plus electronic oxidation state. Americium in 2 plus oxidation state it is more stable. 2 plus indicate loss of 2 electrons. That is 2 electrons are removed from the outermost cell, 7th cell. So radon 86 5F7 6D0 7S0. 5F7 6D0 7S0, americium 2 plus. And also we can write why this is more stable, because of it containing half filled 5F orbital. Half filled 5F orbital is more stable, and americium 2 plus exhibit extra stability. It exhibit extra stability. Therefore, it is more stable in 2 plus oxidation state. Like that. Curium, next element, curium. Curium, Marie Curie. Atomic number 96 with the electronic configuration. Radon 86, 5F7, 6D1, 7S2. Curium 3 plus is more stable. All the actinoids exhibit plus 3 oxidation state. In curium 3 plus indicate loss of 3 electron, 2 from s orbital and 1 from d orbital. Radon atomic number 86, 5F7, 6D0, 7S0. Same reason as Am 2 plus. 5F, it containing half filled 5F orbital. Therefore, it attain extra stability. Therefore, in 3 plus oxidation state, it is more stable. Got it? Okay, right. So these are the oxidation state of actinoids. And also you should know about like lanthanoid contraction. We have actinoid contraction. Like lanthanoid contraction, we have actinoids contraction. When you move from thorium to lawrencium in 5F black element, the size of actinoid goes on decreases. Atomic radii and ionic radii of actinoid goes on decreases. Why? What is the reason? If it is asked in one word question, simply write the reason as actinoid contraction is due to the imperfect shielding of 5F electrons. Actinoid contraction is due to the imperfect shielding of 5F electron. When you move from left to right, in actinoids 5F black element, the atomic radii and ionic radii goes on decreases. This is due to the imperfect shielding of 5F electron. So remember this. Now we are going to discuss about the distinguish between lanthanoids and actinoids. Differences between lanthanoids and actinoids. Lanthanoids, that word include lanthanum also, but lanthanum is a D black element. Actinoids, that word include actinum also, but actinum is a D black element. In lanthanoids, the differentiating electrons enter in 4f orbital. 4f orbital. Differentiating electrons enter in 5f orbital. 5f orbital. Lanthanoids are also called 4f black elements, and actinoids are also called 5f black element. Second point, the binding energy of 4f orbitals, binding energies of 4f orbitals are higher. Second point, binding energy of 5f orbitals are lower. Binding energy of 5f orbitals are lower. Then next, third point, they show, lanthanides show less tendency to form complexes. But actinide show greater tendency to form complexes. Lesser tendency to form complexes. Greater tendency to form complexes. Then fourth point, most of the lanthanides are colorless, but most of the actinides are colored. For example, uranium 3 plus ion, uranium 4 plus ion, and also uranium 6 plus ion. Uranium 3 plus is red in color, actinoid, red in color. Uranium 4 plus is green in color, and uranium 6 plus is yellow in color. Uranium 6 plus is yellow in color. Actinoids, lanthanides are mostly colorless. Actinides are colored. And very most important point regarding oxidation state is lanthanides, common oxidation state of lanthanides is +3. Common oxidation state of lanthanoid is +3. Apart from this, +2 and +4 are also exhibited by lanthanides. Common oxidation state of actinide is also +3. Some of the actinoid exhibit +2, +4, +5, +6 and +7 oxidation state, as we have discussed just above. And very most important distinguish between lanthanoids and actinoids is lanthanoids do not form oxocation. Do not form oxocation. Actinoids, they form oxocation. All the actinoids do form oxocation. Oxocation. What are the oxocations are formed? For example, in 6+ oxidation state, uranium UO2 2+, neptunium O2 2+. Oxocation means form a cation with the oxygen is called oxocation. One more compound in oxocation, UO2 Cl2. It is one example. This is called chromyl chloride. Chromyl chloride. This is the molecular formula just like chromyl chloride. CrO2Cl2 is chromyl chloride. So now UO2Cl2 is called uranyl chloride. That one is chromyl chloride. This one is uranyl chloride. What is the oxidation state of uranium in uranyl chloride? 1 chlorine oxidation state 1-, 2 chlorine 2- equal to 0. 1 oxygen 2-, 2 oxygen 4-. So by adding 6+, we will get oxidation state 0. Uranium oxidation state 6+ in UO2 2+. Neptunium also 6+ in NbO2 2+. Like that, we can write one more oxocation with plutonium Bu O2 2+. Form a cation with oxygen is called oxocation. So these are about actinoids. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.